So what are we going to do again?
We're going to walk around and ask everybody what they think UC means.
Okay.
So, I mean, unified communications in my world is really about productivity. It's about being able to do more with less, being able to work wherever I am, any device, any application. And really what it's provided me is the ability to provide that to my customers who are looking for the same.
Pete, I'm Dennis Gatens, Director of Strategy with Enterprise Division at AdTrend, and wanted to let you know how we perceive unified communications and its value. For us, it's the convergence of all means of communications, be it voice, texting, email, faxing, that drives productivity gains and customer and service enhancements for the small, medium business and enterprise.
When I say UC, what's the first thing that comes to mind?
I think it's just staying in touch.
Just staying in touch?
Just being able to communicate however you want to, whether that's instant messaging. Some people like it. Some people like to video chat. Some people like to talk on the phone. Some people don't like to talk on the phone.
So across generations and across channels.
There you go. Put it that way.
All right.
My name is Stania Taylor with Telecom Brokers.
What do you think UC means?
Probably unified communications.
Break it down a little more than that.
I don't know what.
Well, when you're selling UC and you're talking to your customer, because you guys are master agents, so when you're talking to your customer, how do you define it for them?
I've never had to define it because no one's ever asked me.
See, customers aren't asking for UC. Only vendors are talking about UC.
I see it, and
I've
we're
dealt
at a
with
UC
customers
show.
every day, and no one's ever asked me that question in the 48 months that I've been with Telecom Brokers.
Next Monday they will. Hi, tell us your name.
I'm Patrick Allen with Presidio Network Solutions.
And what do you think UC stands for?
Well, for me, it's really about taking business processes and making them more streamlined and giving companies the capability to really tie all aspects of their information infrastructure into one, homogeneous system. So taking that, the ability for line of business applications to interact with the phone system, the ability for line of business applications to actually interact, and whether that's via out dial or whether that's via some sort of smart IVR type integration, to really look for areas where customers can find small improvements in efficiency. We think that's really the immediate gain from UC is not in changing full business practices, but finding the areas in which there are things that could be done faster or more efficiently, and utilizing the UC infrastructure to do that.
Is your aim unified desktop?
I'd say it's probably going to get there. I think more and more we're going toward unified desktop. I don't think it's quite there yet, but I think it's pretty close. I think there are still a lot of concerns around the underlying operating systems and needing things to always work, or what happens when PCs drop. I think we're not all the way from phones, from hard phones yet, but I think we're getting closer and closer every year to just one desktop that I use for everything.
Okay, tell us your name first.
So my name is Christophe Romia.
And who are you with?
So I'm working for iEscort, so it's a Swiss-based company.
And what do you think UC means?
Okay, so for us, UC means telephony, instant messaging, presence, audio-video conferencing, and I would say seamless integration into your collaboration tools. Okay, of course, coming with emails, this is also a must-have feature.
Your name is?
Mark Swanson.
With who?
Televations.
What do you think UC means to the customer?
It's bundling all forms of business communications in one package and delivering that to the customer, from our perspective.
Unified communication.
So David, what is unified communications mean to you?
Agents have no idea what UC is.
Oh, okay, all right.
Unified communications, that all day long. Hi, hello, how are you? Okay.
Okay, so tell me, David, what does UC mean to you?
Customers want UC a lot. Customers are asking for it, asking a lot of questions about it.
They ask you directly, what's UC?
No, they ask for unified communications. Actually, they don't ask for that because they don't know what to ask for. They're asking for a combination of voice and data.
And video.
And they want a combination of services. Oftentimes, they don't know what to ask. They just tell you what they're looking for. Is there a way to reduce my cost? Is there a way to be more efficient? What they're asking for is unified communications, but they don't know the terms to use.
So
Tristan Barnum. I work for Digio.
And tell us what you think UC means to your customer.
UC. I bet you're getting a different answer from everyone you ask. To me and to our customers, it tends to mean that they get the information that they need about all of their communications at the time they want it, in the context that they want it. So for example, if I'm in a meeting, my computer should know, my PBX should know, I shouldn't be getting phone calls at my desk, I should be potentially getting them at my cell phone, or it should be sending things to voicemail, it should be doing what I want, I shouldn't have to be pushing buttons, it should just do it for me, and I get all my information.
In my view, it's a whole bunch of buckets of different ways of talking. So it's text, it's presence, it's IM, it's video, it's voice, all slammed together. A small piece of it's unified messaging, you know, kind of like voicemail to text, voicemail to email, fax to email. All that, so you have one bucket where you can catch everything, kind of like Google Voice. And then more stuff just layered on as much as you need so that you can talk to anybody at any time the way they want to talk.
Oh,